What if I told you that someone made over 40 crore rupees just by uploading 130 videos? And the most shocking part? All of these videos were created using 100% free tools and made in just minutes. Yes, you heard that right. These are luxury niche videos, and people are literally printing money from home by creating this type of content. First, you need a list of classic car models from the USA and Europe. In the video description, you'll find the first prompt, an idea generation prompt. Copy that prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it. Hit enter and boom. You'll instantly get 10 detailed video ideas. Each idea includes car model, country, color, condition. Now choose one idea you like. To make a 15-minute long video, you need at least 100 video clips. That means your story must be divided into 100 scenes. Don't worry, I've already made this easy for you. Copy the second prompt from the description, prompt for scene breakdown. Paste it into ChatGPT, insert your selected car idea. Hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 100 plus scenes for you. For example, Part 1, Abandoned Discovery, 32 scenes. Part 2, Interior Restoration, 32 scenes. Part 3, Engine and Mechanical Rebuild, 40 plus scenes. Total, 113 scenes. This becomes your complete 15-minute cinematic video. Now you need video prompts for each scene. Copy the third prompt from the description, prompt for video prompts, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate prompts for all scenes. But here's the problem. These prompts are too short, not good enough for high-quality AI videos, so we upgrade them. Copy the fourth prompt, JSON prompt for expanding video prompts. Open a new ChatGPT tab. Paste the JSON prompt, hit enter. ChatGPT is now trained. Now, copy scene 1 prompt, paste it into the trained ChatGPT, hit enter and boom. You'll get a 10 to 12-line cinematic prompt including lighting, camera movement, mood, environment, ultra-realistic details. This is what we need. Now copy that expanded prompt and use it in Meta AI, free, Grok AI, free, even WhatsApp Meta AI in Meta AI. Click Create, select Video, paste prompt, choose 16.9 for long videos. Click Animate, your video will start generating. Repeat this process for all 113 scenes. Yes, it takes effort, but this is the real method. Some people will say, this doesn't look as premium as other videos. That's because those creators are using paid tools. If you use paid tools with the same system, you'll get the exact same luxury vibe. But if you want to work completely free, you must accept small limitations. If you start creating this type of content consistently, you can also get millions of views and earn from USA and European audiences with high CPMs. But remember one thing. Hard work and consistency are mandatory. If you liked this video, hit like, share it, subscribe.